Hey, come check out this genius productivity tool for entrepreneurs.
This is a Kanban. It's a visual model of your company's workflow.
This tool is so easy to use, you're going to be able to recreate it right after watching this video.
Find a nice big board just like this, grab some paper, get some masking tape, and grab yourself some stickies, and you're good to go.
You'll start off by creating columns. At the top of the columns, go ahead and put the following. Put not started, on deck, in progress, review, and then completed. And then take your project and break it up into its miniature tasks. You'll put those tasks on sticky notes, and then put all those sticky notes in the not started column. Then what you'll do is you'll take those sticky notes or tasks and take it one by one in this entire flow.
The rule is that you should only have a few stickies in each of the in progress columns at a time. The reason is because if you have more than just a few stickies, then the productivity will go down. So if you want to increase your productivity and reduce your operating costs, then follow the rule.